Welcome to Photolive Expo 2025.
It's our 11th time back here at the Novotel Langley, and we can't wait to see you today.
We have 9 amazing speaker sessions on all sorts of topics, from wedding photography to travel to astrophotography.
And over 100 brands showing all the latest gear across 35 different tables.
Plus 6 2-hour workshops, video editing, Lightroom, food photography, and more. Be great to see you here.
See you soon.
See you guys.
We've got a whole range of cameras and lenses to show off today, particularly the new FX2 camera.
Our brand new Interview Go handles, which haven't been released yet, but coming to a store near you soon.
The exciting new Z5 II, Z6 III, the Z52. We've got a whole range of lenses.
And the Z9, Z8, lots of lenses.
An R1 on show. We've got a 400mm, a 600mm lens. Make sure you come along and see us.
Studying advanced diploma at North Metro TAFE, and we're excited to learn about all this new information and get as much information as we can off the experts in the industry.
I'm going to be conducting live demonstrations with a model. We'll be making some great photos. If you're out and about, come on down to Photolive.
Everyone's here, vibing around.
I'll go on a limb, the best photo show in Australia. Our customers, that's what we do, we hug them deeply.
Thanks to everyone from Photolive and Camera Electronic. You guys are the best. See you all next year. Thanks so much, everyone.